Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to compress a video without losing quality. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So this is the video that I want to compress or reduce the size. So what I'm going to do here is I have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then search for compress a video or type on compress video, and you will see different tools and sites that can help you compress your video. So for example, I'm going to use video compressor and I'm going to add or import the file right here. Just upload the file and then it will take you directly to your files. Tap this media picker and then look for that video that you want to compress here. Let's just say it has a huge size. Let's just say it has 400 MB size or whatsoever, but you need to reduce it in order for you to upload this file. So tap on compress now, wait as it is processing, and then once done, you should see that it is now ready to download. Wait for a couple of seconds again. And then once done, then all you have to do is go to your download folder or go to this three dots, tap downloads. And then once done, you should see this video. It has the same quality, however, the size of this video has reduced. And that's how easy it is to reduce or compress a video without losing quality. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.